If your sister means the world, tap in Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. If you go to my story, you'll have to know that that story will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go to add yours 2022. It's this one, the first highlight next to super viral, and here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. This is a new highlight that I made because the other one is almost full. So once you are here, you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me show you how you can do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with your sister. I think I will go with just a random background, but you can choose a photo with your sister like I showed you at the beginning of the video. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends, guys. And now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram account, you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to a YouTube video which has 2 to 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So don't forget to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. And also, you can now join our membership on our YouTube channel if you want to have some perks. We can now talk with you in private and solve your problems. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.